Alrighty, well, bringing out the vlog today, I am bringing up my Pit Vipers because I just feel like I have to shred when I have these on, even though I don't shred. But basically, I'm gonna check a couple local trails. I should have been starting my cyclocross training way months ago, and I just haven't because of all the excuses. So I'm gonna go try to find a route where I can practice doing laps, basically somewhere local, so I can try to get used to basically racing for 45 minutes on my cross bike again, because it's been a minute since I've done like a real hard cross race or even a practice. So we're gonna go explore. There's a couple of canyons by me that I think might have something I can do that's repeatable. So I gotta get used to these 700C nano tires again. It's been quite a minute since I've been back on them. And I need to get reminded of how it feels to be on this size wheel with my toe overlap and the grip levels compared to the byways, which I predominantly ride on my TCX. So what I'd like to honestly start doing is doing a few training sessions, doing some race starts where I clip in and just try to do a hard effort for 2 minutes to simulate the start of a race, and a few 20-minute sweet spot sessions, basically to get me at the heart rate and feeling it out on how hard I can push so I don't die out by the end of the race like I typically do. All right, well, I came to this canyon area that I've ridden through before, but I think I can loop it, so let's go try this out. Well, so far so good, minus the part that I forgot my GoPro screw, so I brought my GoPro, my chesty strap, to get some shots of me doing this loop, but I guess I forgot the thumb screw, so that's gonna have to come for another vlog when I actually do some real training sessions. This ride I'm just taking easy, my knee's acting weird, and I just wanna kind of scope this out, but I think so far, this is gonna be it. So it looks like I found a little loop. They're real short. I don't know exactly how long. I'm gonna have to go on Strava, but it's a nice continuous loop to where I can do it multiple times, and the beauty of it is I can run it 2 different ways. I mean, obviously any trail you can, but the good thing is it tests different discipline depending on the way you go. So I don't know what would be considered normal and reverse, but one of them's more descending. There's some off-camber turns, a few little whoops in the road, which are obviously a lot more aggressive than climbing it up the other way, which is obviously more climbing through the whole route, hopefully helping me with sustained power. So I'm definitely gonna come out here again. You get a little gas climbing this much to get out here, but really happy with this, and hopefully I can stick to this training route. And side note, I'm decked out in full bellwether gear. I'm testing this stuff out. This is one of their shorts and trail shirts. It's almost like a t-shirt, but it breathes really well. I'm really liking it. I'm gonna eventually do a video review of this stuff, kind of as a commuter alternative gravel epic racer, I don't know, style or clothing set that I think is great for kind of all those things. So I'm testing it out today. I'm really liking it so far. It's super breathable, even though I'm just doused in sweat. It's actually a lot better than I usually probably would be. Yeah, just gonna soak in a little bit of this view and the sunset, and thankfully it's a coast home. All right, well, that wraps this little mini vlog. I'm gonna try to do a vlog a week, no matter what. and then I will add a second video if I have something in for review. I have a couple things lined up. I'm just waiting to get in the works. Obviously, like I mentioned, I'm gonna be reviewing these jersey and short combo. Eventually, I'm just putting some miles in of it, obviously. So the little vlogs will be little updates on products I'm testing, as well as other little random things. But comment below what you guys want to see, if there's something specific. I do want to try to race a majority of this cross season, so if I should start a series on cross for dummies. Maybe that's a good title for it, because I'm not a beginner, definitely a dummy. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. And so thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button so you see all my new vlogs, because apparently this is what I do now, and other product reviews that'll come in the future. And this has been another episode of Locked In.